In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your messages. And once you open up your messages, you want to click on this more. And from here, you will see Google Maps or Apple Maps, depending if you have them. But if I click on Google Maps, it's going to find my location like so. If I click on it, I can just send it. And if we go back, we can even share the location. Now, if you want to use, for example, Apple Maps, just open them up, pick a random address, then click on more, then click on this share icon, click on messages, and then send it to whoever. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.